Good morning. This is what we have used to create this bend out of PVC pipe. This is schedule 80 PVC pipe, half-inch conduit, schedule 80 PVC. We could not get any CPVC on short notice, but we do have PVC. It is schedule 80. Here's the thicker wall. And we're taking and going to make an offset bend using a wooden fixture, pretty simply made. To create a bend. We're using our old, this is a 2-inch PVC bender, and as you can tell, it's got a lot of use to it. So we're going to turn it on, heat it up, and then start bending. What we're trying to do today is bend a piece of pipe with PVC bender. This is a 2-inch PVC bender. Right now it's heated up. It's been on for a couple of minutes. We're just taking a 48-inch piece of PVC, schedule 80, half-inch size conduit. We cut it. We're gonna put it in here. We're just gonna mark it where we need to bend it to. So that this between here and here is where we're gonna heat it up in the unit. Turning it around, and I'm going up to the mark over on this side, putting it on the inside of the unit. I'm going to turn it around a couple of times, moving it back and forth in the unit. Remember, you have to have gloves on, because when this comes out, it'll be hot. See how it's starting to droop over here? It's starting to heat up. It's starting to get very flexible. So I'll pull it out. I'll put it in. It's not quite hot enough. Put it in again. Put it back into the bender. This time I'm pushing it a little bit further in. And I'm turning it the entire time. Open it up. Now we'll let it cool for a minute.
Pause. That's it.
It's been about 2 minutes since we last formed this, and it's still a little bit flexible, but it's starting to set up. Give it a couple more, a little bit longer. We're not going to use any water, but if you wanted to make this set quickly, you take a rag with some water on it, and you just put it over the heated area, and it would cool the pipe down quickly so that you could easily take this out and it would be in the shape that you want it. As you can see, it's still a little pliable because it still hasn't set up completely. But once it's set up, once it's cooled down, it doesn't want to bend out of this shape. If you make a mistake, you just put it back into the heater and you reheat it. This will take some time to redo. You got to keep on turning it when you're heating it so that you don't scorch the pipe. I won't go through this whole thing now, but if you do make a mistake, you just put it right back in and you heat it. And then when it comes back out, it would be pliable enough so that you could redo that. Besides, I had already unplugged this. That's all there is to it.